Ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Almost receiving. And we are being organized for this month. Beautiful people. We're going to face the stadium.
Yeah.
And also their pickup. So if you have a Somali on you, shirts off, ladies, or shirts off, boys. Sorry, I was going to say ladies and gentlemen, but that's all right. So behind the pickup, be proud of yourself, because today you will remember this day. So let's join in. We got the troopers here. We're going to sing some songs and we're going to learn our songs as well. What's that?
Olea wasauni le match le our supporters ale to Samoa ina isingi saung ye le tapo inga moltalonga ya ala to Samoa. Relocate.
Parents, don't think that you're wasting your money and your time to bring your kids here. You will be blessed today. I can feel it. The forward, I can feel it. We're going to do it today. I am saying it with confidence. That's the one. There's two different words. Confidence and coffee. The boys out there are going to be everything over there. The first confidence. We're not going to be quiet out there. We're going to show the world. The first confidence. Now, a lot of you probably know Let's Go Toa. Let's go, yeah? So we're going to take the drama. Tama Losi Toa. Toa, Samoa. Tama Losi Toa. Toa, Samoa.
Tama Losi Toa. Toa, Samoa. Tama Losi Toa. Toa, Samoa.
We're going to try and use our language today with all of our language. Yeah, you know what I mean? Say for example, we can see or whoever's on the beach will put their name in that song. Mama, let's see, John. You just listen out. Yeah, put your flag down, Billy. Malo. Ya, ari ka komu eri amakadia ka ko famu mo. Na maleka ko ni na ko iyo le tua. O ka gombo. Ka vai le tua sa mo. Ya, ka to mo le wa ta vai le tua ka ga ya. Ele le ya la sa u ko ni ma tua le. Ka ni ma yo le tu malo si me ba lo ma tua. Vai pa ke sia pa. Ya, ana pa ka o ile ko filau nei vai ko filau. Ya, mai le tele se la vai. Yo la voy a estar tostado. Ya, ona ta tu so mata ile ona ta tu moto. Confirm to participant nei Laureato. Olvinga ia fa foi le tua. Ma sa di la ta tu talo. Ro al foi va tu ya no to fa na o lo sa tu no. To go le na. Au va mai le tu la. Ma ko stala. Tata talo. Vai tu fa to ine le tu me uma me blava. Vai se no langi con la langi va a to le tua. Modi. Oia ya te ya lava si fio lano. Ole malo si malava. Sei curvana me vai stava ngale tua. Vai le tua. Oia le tua. Trata malava wana won. O si uma lao fiona. Amalomba ya manguia laso. Raptai. Yes, I'm off at fight the here. Yeah, but that's all for one of our other days. You want to know what the thing is. Yeah, that's all no leo foi mai ona foi essa som tala na uso ya ono. Yeah, ora tá e foi leo ora tá ami. Ora na na solta to mas na ya wala awa. Thank you so much, everyone. Please come on this side for the volley. I'm trying to make the way. Don't be shy, don't be nervous, because this is the day that the Lord has made. This is the day that the Lord has made. Come on, let's go. Bring it into the next time. Love you, brother. Let's go. Let's go, Charlie. Let's go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we do have the privilege here all the way from Brisbane. He just got here like a minute ago because he took the airways of he's the one and only Super! Now everyone, man, this is beautiful. Let's go. Let's take it. All right, Marlon, lover, everyone. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Just for your information, we're going to have the Marlo Fear coming in, and they're going to lead our walk for today. So, like I said, we're going to be, the police will shut down the road for us, so everyone, so all the fools are on their way now, and then we're going to walk together. But for now, we're going to send them over Facebook, on Twitter. You guys know the best thing. We're going to sing it. I'm going to start the couple bits. Everyone's going to sing together. This is the song when the voice, when you sing on the big screen, listen. When you sing on the big screen, the captain, Super Pablo, and the Kiwi captain standing there.
Share to tato lai. Ina lo fa initial tato tino lo fia mata mai le tato machi. Le lo fa tino na isili anga ia tu o le stadium. It's okay. As long as you're bringing your voice up, like I said before, so please be proud of yourself. Be proud of who you are. You know what? And this is the best local. I know it's the best local. Some people listen. It's a local. You're going to remember this day when you put on that blue jumper and make better way to become stable in the next 5, 15 or 10 years time from now. You're going to remember, we are going to be standing here again. We are going to shout 685 Tula! Let's go. All right. Wale alili uma. Sabia falongo longo. Isole. So my team, kids, try to sing it as well. You know what? Because you are the next generator. Huh? You're the next one that we're going to block the block in. Turn it on. And then you're going to push yourself. Huh? All right. Listen up, listen up. Next song, I'm on Monday. Our next one. So that's the whole point. We are here today. Thank you for coming along and seeing me and honor. Because we need to know the song before we go and see the song. Yeah. So next song. Marolo. Kau vai main au kakak ai. Come.
Everything out there. So when they say stop, ball, we repeat what he thinks as the crowd. Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you. There are people out there. I respond when I go to Junior, baby, I can go around when I'm going out. Now, I'm going to go on and go on. On la voie pour la prochaine. Ah, you're not a real big head man to the road. This is the first final, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to make ourselves proud of our culture, proud of our country.
I want you guys to bring it up. Fire. Then I start with fire. I move the fire and they will go. When the fire comes next to you, don't put your leg on it. Put your nose next to it. So you can sound the fire. Hey, so when the fire burns, everyone say, 6 on 5, do up. Hey! Oh! Hey! Oh! Thank you, Captain America and Spider-Man and Superwoman. And the perfect line is for everyone. I'll let you have a seat for corner now. Say hi to your neighbor that you haven't seen for a long time.
Ia malo whaftai tato atunu mai mo mai le vai ngo leso. Lewa toititia matalo le manchi ole. Il tato stadium.
Was this dropping off the vegetarian?
Ai matalo le manchi o toi fai atu le si tato live whaftai tele lava le mai mo mai le vai ngo leso. Ma lo lava manuia lau tapo inga sa moa.